Ebusian for ha Gana 70 VGH, mestre or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for Delegate in Ashanti region of Ghana. Delegate in the Ashanti region, Endra Asembisi, Ewo Asokwa. Asokwa. Sisara Yefreno, Asokwa. Asokwa. Honorable Kennedy Ohini Akumpreko Ejapon went campaigning Ewo Ashanti region. Now Ashanti region no the hot spot, the stronghold of MPP. Obi bia pesa already MPP bia no. Ese nipa no make sure say Ashanti region there. Ojinemu ohopa. Okay? And that is important our campaign. And you realize say most of the candidates are person flag bearers. Baumia, Barney Champon, Dr. Kind of saying former Minister of Education, Educhum. As for Educhum in Japan, I'm not really monitoring their campaign, but for the top 3 people there, they are all taking Ashanti region seriously. Now, SMBC, when Honorable Kennedy Ohini Ejapon went a year to Ashanti region, let's listen to what happened and what delegates from that place are saying. The voice notes I'm coming to play to you, delegates who were at the meeting yesterday, they are talking about what happened there. On WhatsApp page where they are sending voice notes and all giving live updates. So those are some of the voice notes that we have intercepted. And I'm Babe Boma or no. And let's listen to some of the voice notes. Bakunye.
Some catch them that one in half na man so was at Tiatum, Radiosu. Attach I was say, so kind. Say, Okujina Hona Tibum, I didn't pay Radin Abba, Mumeho was come from Mary, Mamma Jammer, Mumeshe, Natiafaso, Adiana Tiafaso, Abba, Motherfucker Nabamu, Radiosu. In fact, I'm before we are careful. But tell me where you got them. Look at how successful Casau. Big grand career, just like now our people. Up provoke the head or your ha. About them, head or your house, stop from my head or your ha. The Mutia background noise. Head or your house.
Mr. Marvey, I dear you, Senka, Bema 10 gram of Bukra, no provoking, no, so the way they will bono. Na akwa fia ni akwa flipa fia we ya ono chase o kana asem baabi o na etimia bo papa yi shekama na yi nyina aba na me dwen ho amenti ase o say you bimpo na ehunahuna akra so we dey o putu fie in them, but Charlie, serious Charlie, serious. The way I name my see Connie serious, Charlie.
As conform to be annually, Miss Ramo announcement about Numania and say, you reckon Japan, you see into the campaign and say, you need to say, when to me and I say, I'm a sweet, and I say, why any campaign is to spend on into what's not a beside Banny as California Babisia, or China me Adoma, 4 o'clock. Our Methodist went to Miss Ramo police station be out me biano, and the campaign you reckon it was mammy. MC who named some see you into Wamami into 4 o'clock. I don't so much this one, Madam Massey.
It was your for Maminchiremu. Honorable Kennedy Ohini Japan, Epese, Ombeye flag bearer of MPP. Opese Obe DNM going into election 2028. Don't now what party they must say. There be. Who Honorable Kennedy Japan only ASF control. Ubeti the lead MPP even into an election. Number 1. Number 2, and he say wo Kennedy Japan no why nema bebre editia eye wa party enti eba ne say na yebetimi trust still say under your leadership no we are going to be a formidable opposition even into contesting an election against NDC and winning. Okay, number 3 ne say some of the things you have said in the past unkophobia why you in the past no they are ganging up against you and they will not agree and sit down for you to come and become president of this country. Those are some of the main issues are being raised about Honor Kennedy Japan's bid. Now, on him say, no matter how much you decorate a monkey, no, still there are things that will reveal say nipa or nam no, and I say the subject walking about no, or nipa but or a monkey. I told you, our cherished listeners, say, when Ayɛka campaign, Kennedy campaign, no, Ebeka say that slogan that let Ken be Ken slogan. No, the moment they came up with that slogan, now I knew say Assembly Riba. I knew it. The moment they came up with that let Ken be Ken slogan, no, just say they have done everything possible. They have spoken to the man over and over again, but the man just cannot change. On to me, sisa. Ni temperament no, on to me, sisa. Ni bufwa nsema okika no, on to me, sisa, on to me nyahushi. That is why they came up with let Ken be Ken. Now, Mati say, asema ekos no ni say, on say when you go for those rallies, you know, there are divergent views. As a way of a fair play, no, before Ken Kasa, they will allow for somebody from the opposite camp, Ebia Baumia camp, Brian camp, and I say Educhun camp, to come and say something. Yeko Congress cry yet me say eto de bia, and almost all the time no, you invite NDC for. You invite them, then they will come and blast us in our own Congress. But any democracy is beautiful. So apparently no, nipa Gaya Obeka sai for Dr. Mahmoud Baumia no. Waka say Baumia the best person, the most preferred choice to lead MPP. And say na osika asem no anye honorable Kennedy Japan de anye ne de. Enti Kennedy Japan no na otwen say e di mic no be mano, e di mic no be mano. Ampara nso e di mic mano. Ebusianfo, when they gave the microphone to Honorable Kennedy Ohini Japan, no, just guess what? And all start here. Malafaka sa. Obiantimi huna ye. Obiantimi huna. If they try it, ebusianfo na enya easy. Na enya easy at all. Enti emma program no nyina ye basa. Campaign no antimi anko so biom. Asema papa no efa car free ya Accra all the way to Kumasi Ashanti region honum. So kwa campaign no because obi akoka say enye Kennedy Ohini Japan no say na deserve say obeye a flag bearer Dr. Mahmoud Baumia no Nikoko aba. Nikoko apai. Nikoko apai. To the extent say sugar or the call okra say normally or your campaign no or the sugar ko. No catch delegate say ebia etimi kubewe no metimi dia sugar. Now say sugar no famu sambra, then you be pouring the sugar into their hands and muta fresh. Okay? And sa sugar ne nyama nyina Honorable Kennedy Ohini Japan etamu ye edi koya so kwa ho nyina no wanka ho asem. Baby it saying, Maya, how are you? Ontimi aka ho asem as because obi apai ni koko. That is the kind of person Kennedy Ken camp say on be lead MPP o. Tese nipa no otimi obia ebia okọ cabinet meeting now be ko kasem bi wo ho na asem na anye ni depe a je say asema yaba beka o cabinet meeting ni na no na we tu egu na o keka na adwen ha ne hu wuso mi eto de bia mi hu se ne hu wuso sana Miss Romano is for real from the medical standpoint. When you look at some of the reactions of Honorable Ken when he's angry, you'll be scared for him. One share yana, God forbid the unthinkable happens. And tini nyine chino. Papa no ye ni nyine wi a oyi delegates I wo ho threaten crofo wi no. And now got to say and any campaign for nka say papa we dear what say campaign no last minute anka ye yan votes no they say convince delegate say the was say there you can control your temper, you can control your mouth no how be say asem no enti be ya say be ya let's go back to ya asokwa ho no enti ukwa asokwa ho no ma Kennedy Ohini e Japan eye ni campaign coordinator ni voice note na last voice note amebo ma no just say because campaign say enti he is calling back delegate no say eye enne asem no si endra enti eye enne no they are coming to meet again for campaign to happen. Let's listen again to Kennedy Japan eye ni campaign coordinator.
Askwafo mi cheche obi anwumre mesramo announcement aba nwumre nya ne se Ayɛka na Japan na the say ni the campaign na say nyina gitum se wantimi anya anase amaso yi anase wanye campaign se de osipe no nti wotena obesa abane askwafo nyina ba besia wotena nyame ya adoma eye 4 o'clock e methodist wantimi sramo police station bi a wotemi bia no enne campaign na Ayɛka na di wa ma meye MC hu ne se mesisi ho nti wa ma me nti wotena 4 o'clock atonso methodist wa medamase asomje nko bibia anwumre
that is the campaign coordinator for Honorable Kennedy Ohini Japan. In all sincerity, Ebusianfo, do you think that this is the most suitable candidate for the MPP? Hey, Papa don't me controlling who? Atachakayo. I'm seeing a lot of requests. I'm going to pick all of you soon on this very one. Atachakayo okaye pa. Say Papa no. Kakrape na we're losing the temper. Or losing the temper so malafaka obeji. Ufa left obeji malafaka. Ufa right so obeji malafaka no. And the assembly they say the Ashanti region, delegates Ashanti region no. They say omaba Montabekasa. Almost saying almost abruso Honorable Kennedy Japan. So to say the so I'm coming to play the tape from some of the delegates from Ashanti region, and then after that we are going to receive the comments of our cherished viewers and our guests on this show. Until let's all when you join, kindly mute yourself because right now even if you talk I can't hear you. I've not connected yet to your part. Let's listen to what Paul Yando, our regional director of communication, NPP Ashanti region, has to say about Ayɛka in the Japan. Let's listen.
What you say? Adia air course on enyefe. Beginning communication officers, constituency communication officers, a press conference against Kennedy Bar or Bar region.
Emana Kwaba.
Yes.
No more can say they expect him to run his campaign.
And someone no can begin them infamy. But no omuka almost communication no. I had dear ma almost. Oko radio so uti TV so na o kasa. Na o chire Ghana for mu say ye fra bamu 2024 and I say 7th of January 2025 for no na dollar enye 17 na ye 14.1 almost Canada Japan say 17 Oko ka say
dollar 2023 around 2023 economy e buy be drew 8 cities
kind of
And the 10 year yehu, yes, yehu bida. And the NBP, yehu bida.
Oyeba, ahumte. Oko kanche ni say about 2 year 2024. Dr. Baomianya 41.75. Say Kennedy is when you're 38. Eti
the wo kanombo oba.
Na just wo my bread dodo. Kennedy wo my bread dodo. O my bread dodo. Esem no wo chechere mu chechere. Wo chechere mu enkosi. Adan. Edi benko. Bibia last time o kasa wasi yeto abani wi onu to ni de we ya o kota kwa. Na mrekuduka, you will see what will happen there. What you say? You will see. Or 2 years ya obata. Ediebe na ukoye. Se si ayandra ya obas koya. Enkofobi a argument wo a podium next year. Ni buafu. Say amen no. One tias here. Diebe na 31st. You will see what will happen in Ashanti region. Kennedy ade. Ediebe ne besi.
That's so I mean to know now free. If you think somebody is distracting you, just walk the person out.
Exactly.
That's what we mean to so.
Actually, now what free wow party for? Now say catch here and say we will see what will happen. I think the police must invite him. Some rule of law yeah.
Police inviting them.
Now threat messages are cause yeah obi ma threat chese. Ade ye nyina ya koto aba. Abon wa ya ma ubie ya verification. Yes, say ya me no ka say ya abon verification. Exhibition. Yeah, they are constituency bia say obi a hwe de ewom MPP fo no na ekoto ya aba otu wia ugofie otu wia ugofie and on 31st no they should invite him to explain at the basic 31st.
All right, ebushanfo mamema our guest no inina akwaba to tonight's edition. And I'm seeing some of our old people that we have not seen in a long while also join us. And my good brother Moses also here. Maya, a happy new year. We are both here.
Same to you, boys.
Hey, my few papa.
My air reserve kakra.
Yo, no problem. Maya 5 minutes.
Because you say,
yo, Maya 5 minutes. Yo.
Voice.
Yes, Maya, 5 minutes.
What want to say, right? Canada, Japan. Party ni mo nye bearman sini obiya. Wonye bearman sini obiya na the woman say MPP party no enne na yese discipline ni party ni no first no party won't mean kasa bia keke. Wako friend crofo no mo kasa. Twese de odina ho a wo kasa wakoma tese edin pa enti we nipa we se kacha ne say leadership qualities no woni bia o se yeboa wo be na president mi donya me se nka mo ban de ne ba UN assembly ha ko gina ho na kwa mara foka tachi amwa omwa oni pa wonti mu control ne temper hwe enya hwe na ye no e de Japan wansu na so da yese sa ate bia na wadu nko betimi adu I say here for man. Bebre no nyame ye na dum onyayi a afedo hu obi ase obi aye ketu abi man eno na ye ne sa na nya hwe. Fofo na bro so. Because time no na say so ton peak na say for one day and say obetumi edu sa ate bia no but ye blame no. Papa kofo ada woroma. Na timi tam nipa be 100 contract me nipa ba kofo. Na na do to ba ya mmasa be man bi api so. Etu afo so obi o party nim bi adimi na nipa o mu nipa wo de ne yehwe enye yi kede de pon ntimi nsisa da mese mo pa mo fa ne nkɔhye kaya moto mo nyi nimpi mese wo ntimi nsisa aden ana party ba kwa ye na wo be ye ofo so ye be maso obi wo nam ha wo nam me be ya akwa me yere mo asem ebo ofo so what sub macho guys na di wati na afo so enu nti no ofo so wo ye obi obia edi amode na wo na mo ye se wachi se ilabadi trottery obi pia wa se wo da fom edi na obetimi aye ni pa bia me sa adwen na nya adwuma a ho ni padua ne bre Adwene no enye adwuma ni pedane because the way o kasa ye o ye no ye so adwene mu da ho na ye ya eye de ne ye eye internal election ene ye ko internal election ho na be wia obi delegacy for mo ya ahe obi ekoto na ba wo ko ne ba bi ayi na mekọ takwa na wo bekọ na mekudu ka ne de ono de se bebu na chiam ho abegina ho abegini a kere no se de netu na eso akoto e de aba na ode ahye ne mafo se nu nti no pese oye ne ho se oye yi Kennedy so oye be ma ayo onam a ma bodyguard bi an guide no no nko aso oye be ma no anka se me be obi a wo so oye be ma no on face ni wem na bi a ndc for 30 seconds be ku a ni yesi ye twen wo ye fe ne sen kuro yi so obi be gura alarm che wo TV so na wusu se edi enti na election ye anti se ndc for evil to the extent say omutimi plan say ye nkontwe wo wo kwan mu na ye nkoku
so true
ya paso nko fo no kotwe wo obi ne betia wo na so na nya wo na wo TV so wo kanina na wusu pepa wo ni na wo wie ye ne de wo so ye be ma se wo bia party no na aye wa yi Kennedy Japan pese ka chere maneti asese ontimi ngu MPP ontimi ngu MPP efise bi no mudi kan no omudo obo moja ene omoja pade e ma party no omode tie sa tab na Ghana mema ekra ye man nipa kasai sa culture of silence na emofo ebi break ye no omudo omokra na omuni padua ene de yes adwuma no ene omo resources no omode ye would have better buy 96 as a 90 one na wo buy 92 ni aya de na wi wo sore akasa wo ka de ben de be ho wo dwo mu na ye ma hwan sika enu dwa na ade nam sa anwa ne ye fe ne se asichire na ade nam wa ye MP me ya kwa na menya sa contract akese anka me factory sa me wo Ghana nkanye bi want me I establish ka ye fe ne se factory ba akokora me pato beje koton na so fju shedi obi enu anka ye ma ni bi anka ye nyo alaji ba o me pato wo ba wo de ma me contract ni bi na me so me meje na me nko pe efe ne se me partners na me no omo nya yi be de ma omo a no mo so ma me share adwuma sa adwuma nko de obi abetimi aye bi o wo ti ase
yeah
kotoba ton de obi abetimi aye o e de asem na party ba ko ye to aba ye yi alamka cheta mkura na ono no wo de helicopter na ye ni campaign no wo de sika job for the boys cash for the people kura anyi say aden because party ne so obi suro no yo no NPP for nye sa ne ye party nye violence party enye so obi suro no na no na ebu ogu mu se de wo onu abu an obi nsuro no wo party ni mu ti so be jam kwasa sem na wonyan na afi de eboro so nkwa na ye ni pa party ni mu nkwa na do si event say wo party ni kura party ni na ma wo ye wo mo sa America ha se mo betwi tax ni na se for no ho na wadu Canada Japan bia eye party na ma wo Canada Japan ye Canada Japan asori a wa ye wo sisi atia se medie na wo di jam ni pam na wo toto wo sa na wo la course aya na aye tue na abu mo sika nya la course anu ye tue na abu aden na wo ha adwene sa aya do hye nipa ono akasa wo hwe se ho no tam wo kasa no na timi fo kakra bi na na ebo mo sem nipa ne me bro mo to no mo sem no mayi wo mani kura kese o keke
yeah they just got
that for some kona fe de abre wo party ni mu ne nsem hu
yo
e de
me da se maya